Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we'll talk about some details of triaxial test. So we'll discuss about the types of triaxial test and the stages of triaxial test in which the triaxial test is carried out. Now, firstly, there are three types of triaxial test. First one is UU. UU stands for unconsolidated undrained test, and the second one is CU, consolidated undrained test, and the third one is consolidated drained test. So before discussing these three types, let me tell you about the stages of triaxial test. So what are the stages of triaxial test in which the test is carried out? So first stage is saturation. The saturation of the soil sample to achieve the worst case scenario. So how we saturate the soil sample? It requires another detail. So we'll discuss that how we can saturate the soil sample. The next thing, or next stage, is consolidation. So depending upon the type of the test, we have to decide whether the consolidation of the soil sample is required or not. And the third stage is shearing. So now we'll discuss about UU, CU and CD test. So remember, the first letter of this soil type suggests that whether the consolidation will have to be carried out or not, means unconsolidated. So after the saturation is must in all three types of the triaxial test. So saturation is must in all three types of the test, but the second stage, that is consolidation, whether the consolidation will have to be carried out or not, this is suggested or given by the first letter of the triaxial test type. For example, UU, the first letter is U, it means unconsolidated, so consolidation will not be carried out in this type of test. So after saturation, will directly go towards the shearing. So the second letter of the triaxial test type depicts that whether the condition during the shearing is drained or undrained. So U means undrained. So there will be undrained condition during the shearing. So this is the concept behind the names of these tests. Similarly, in CU, consolidated means in second stage after the saturation, there will be consolidation of soil sample. After consolidation, during the shearing, the condition will be undrained. During the shearing, the condition will be undrained. So during shearing, condition will be undrained. So you need not to get confused between these two terms, because someone can say during consolidation there will be dissipation of pore water pressure, but in the same time we are saying that condition is undrained. So do not get yourself confused in between these two terms. So remember, C stands for consolidation during the second stage, means after saturation you have to consolidate and there will be dissipation of excess pore water pressure. But after second stage, you will go towards this third stage, that is shearing. During shearing, you will close all the wall and you will not allow the water to dissipate. So during shearing, you will achieve undrained condition. So this is the concept of CU. And the next one is CD. CD means the consolidation. There will be consolidation in the second stage, and during shearing there will be drained condition. D stands for drain. So during shearing there will be drained condition. So this is the concept of UU, CU and CD. So this is how these three types of tests differ from each other. Now the next thing is how we can obtain the saturation state. So we'll discuss this saturation state in the next video. So keep subscribing and keep sharing. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.